In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices, sales receipts, and estimates in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting tool designed to make managing your business finances simpler and more efficient. One of the great features it offers is the ability to customize forms like invoices, sales receipts, and estimates, so they align perfectly with your brand. Whether you want to add your logo, adjust layouts, or fine-tune the details your customers see, this tutorial will guide you step by step. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in and walk through the process of creating custom forms in QuickBooks Online. First, begin by opening your QuickBooks Online dashboard. In the top right corner of the screen, click the gear icon. This will open the settings menu where you can access different customization options. From the menu, select Custom Form Styles to go to the page where all your current form styles are managed. Once you're on the Custom Form Styles page, take a moment to review the list of existing styles. You'll also notice the default standard style that comes preloaded in QuickBooks. This is a great starting point, but today we're going to create a brand new style. To get started, look to the top right corner of the Custom Form Styles page and click New Style. This will open up the customization process, where you can create a form tailored to your needs. The first step is to choose the type of form you want to customize. QuickBooks gives you three options: invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. Pick the one that fits your goal. Next, give your new form style a clear and recognizable name. This will make it easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple styles for different purposes. Now it's time to add your personal touch. Upload your company logo and select colors that match your brand identity. This ensures your forms not only look professional, but also reinforce your branding with every customer interaction. After setting the visuals, you can adjust the template layout, fonts, and spacing. These elements affect how readable your form is, so take the time to experiment and make sure the design is clean and easy to follow. Next, configure what information appears on your form. This includes customizing the columns and fields such as quantity, rate, or SKU. You can reorder these fields to prioritize the most important details for your business. Once you've set up the content, move on to editing the header and footer here. You can include essential company details, the form title, and any terms or payment instructions you want your customers to see. You can also add a friendly message to your customers. This could be something as simple as "Thank you for your business" or a personalized note that reflects your company's tone. While working on your form, make use of the live preview feature. This lets you see exactly how your form will look both on screen and when printed. Take advantage of this tool to make adjustments and ensure everything is aligned. If your business applies taxes or offers discounts, make sure to enable those fields so they display on the form. This ensures that all necessary details are included for your customers. Once you're satisfied with the design and all the details, click Done to save your new style. Your custom form is now ready to use. When you're ready to create an invoice, estimate, or sales receipt, simply select your custom style before sending it to a customer or printing it out. This allows you to switch between different styles depending on the audience or service, all while maintaining consistent branding. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create professional branded forms that leave a great impression on your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.